Hello, we're doing a review for the Saker cabinet hardware and Doweling Jig. So here it is, it comes in the box, and within the box, let's see what it contains. So we have obviously the box, and then we have a instruction manual that's pretty detailed, shows you exactly how to use the kit. We have two little spacers that go on the drawer. And then we have two different drill bits as well that are designed for it. And we have the actual jig. So the jig comes packaged like this. It's kind of condensed. All you have to do is unscrew it, twist it, and it fits in its own little groove right here. And then you just tighten it. And you can adjust it to whatever size you need, depending on what application you're using it for. Another cool feature is these adjustments right here. They're preset in the back at different intervals. So you have a 3, 4, 5 inch width. And then if you could look right through it, you could see there's holes in it and your drill bit goes right through that hole. So when you set it up on your cabinet, take your drill bit that's sitting on your cabinet face and you can drill right through it, and that'll sit and be perfectly spaced for whatever cabinet hardware you're using. And the other cool thing is not only does it go vertical, but if you put it sideways and had to do like a lower kitchen cabinet, you can do the vertical sideways as well and just hold it in. And like I said before, another cool feature are these hold-offs or standoffs, however you want to call them. And they come in this little baggie. They're a screw and they have a little bit of rubber on it as well. So where those go is you screw those right in the back here. Give me 1 second. Screw them right in the back. And what those do is, since you just, probably have brand new cabinets and that's why you're ordering this, is they stop the cabinet from getting scratched while you're drilling them. So you can see from the side, they hold you right off the cabinet. So this is a pretty cool and very substantial tool. I thought this was going to be a little simpler. It's very well built and very impressive, and it's all metal, which is really nice too. A lot of them are plastic, and when you drill into them, they flex. This is metal, and I see this thing lasting really long and definitely have a lot of uses for it. So I hope you enjoy. Good luck using it, and it'll definitely come in handy and make installing cabinet hardware way simpler, easier, and quicker. So I hope you enjoy the video. Have a good day.